everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. For those returning subscribers, welcome back. I do unboxing, fashion, lifestyle, reviews, as well as I will keep you an update on how you can purchase the hard to get bags and small leather goods at the Louis Vuitton website. So, if you're interested in those type of videos, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel as well as turn on that bell all the way up so you get notified when I upload next time. I promise you, you will not regret subscribing. Today we are going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's going to be a quick one, so let's begin. I ordered this bag because it was sold out online last year, but it didn't came until this week. This is heavy. Okay, as always, the receipt. The return label, sticky receipt, it's all the same, so we'll move on. Let's open it. I'm excited. Oh, no ribbon. Oh, it's all the way down here. There's the ribbon. Let's set this one aside. Any guess in this bag? I cannot wait to see this. Yes, I finally purchased a Neverfull in the Damier Azur or Damier Azur tomatoes. It's all the same in the rose ballerine interior. Wow, it smells good. I'm sure you're all probably wondering why I purchased this bag in the middle of winter, but I knew about the price increase. I will put the link of that video right here, me talking about the price increase. I was not expecting for them to increase the price this high. I was only expecting around 10% maybe because of our current situation, but the 25% is just too high. I called the 800 number and purchase it through them. Some of them are still not here because they're all sold out online. Anyway, let's not talk about the price increase anymore because it is so depressing. Let's move on. It is such a basic bag. They call it a diaper bag. They call it mommy bag. They call it, there's so many names of this bag out there. No zipper, nothing. You know what? I'm a mother of two and I want this bag, so I got this one. So let's proceed, okay? Anyway, it comes with a pouch and a clasp, a D-ring right here where the pouch is attached, and just one zip pocket. It goes all the way down, so it's spacious right there. You can put your essentials. You know what, I didn't even look where this one is made. Okay, I'm not wearing my glasses and I didn't put any contacts. Okay, this was made in 2020. This is made in France. I am so happy I purchased this before the price increase. I wish I got the GM. Let me see. Oh, okay. This is, by the way, did I mention I'm everywhere today? The MM size, which is the medium. I'm 5'1", so this is a perfect, yep, this is a perfect size for me. And I'm glad I have this now in my collection. I also purchased a Samorga. Let me remove the pouch so we can talk about this bag further. Let me try the zipper. Wow. Okay, right there. The textile card and the barcode, and that's it. It's really flat, and that's it. That's why they call this the basic bag. I purchased a Samorga bag organizer. Let me show you. Let me grab it. For this bag, I did Samorga to put this. Oh wow. Thank you Samorga for this. This is not a sponsored video. On my previous video, I purchased a Zumoni. If you didn't get to watch my Zumoni organizer, I will put the link of that video somewhere here. I requested them to put this extra like cover on top, which you can remove for security, because people are complaining that every time they lay this bag flat, all of their essentials just spill out. So for security, I requested Samorga for this, and hopefully this will work. So let's put it in. I do not like my bag to be structured. I cannot cinch it when the bag organizer is right there, but that's for security purpose right there. Someday when we get to travel again abroad, that's when I will use it. That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The Neverfull with a bag organizer in it. Hey, that's why you purchase organizer. I need an organizer sometimes because I have 2 kids and I need to bring, you know, food, water, mask, medicine, everything. That's why I purchased this bag. To those women out there that are planning to get pregnant and who are pregnant, please leave. If you have any advice, did you change your diet? Are you taking some vitamins, any supplements? Any advice would be such a big help. I will do the review between the Samorga and the Zumoni in the next few videos, so stay tuned for that. So that's the first unboxing. Let's move on with the next one. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back. So this is a continuation of my previous video. If you didn't get the chance to watch it, I will put the link of that video somewhere around here. 12 is a very important number in my family. My husband and both of my kids, my son and my daughter, they're all born on the 12th. When I reach 1200, I will do a giveaway, and this is going to be your prize. We're going to be unboxing on this one because I was so surprised how quick the Louis Vuitton. This is going to be yours. Yes. Let's look at that together. I will do a separate video for that, for the rules, but make sure you have an Instagram account because the price of this purse has increased. Right now, all we gotta do is to talk about that this purse can be yours. You have to be subscribed to my channel as well as follow me on Instagram. It's Mary_LV and then EE_Lux. Anyway, I will put it somewhere around here. It will be yours. But remember, last time it came assembled. By the way, this is actually made in France. Okay, let me show you mine. Will be yours. I'm just gonna put it somewhere here. And grab mine. This is mine. Yes. One for you and one for me. Always. So I called them and I was so surprised that they sent me a brand new strap this fast. I was so shocked that it actually got here faster than my other orders. So happy. My husband was like staring at me thinking like I'm crazy, and I just asked Ace. I already finished away because I was so excited about this. And here it is. Look at this. Okay, that's the glass. Let me just so you can see it. It's brand new. There's no hairline scratches. Look at that. I apologize if my hands are so dry because I do not use any lotion when I touch any of my Louis Vuitton. Look at that. That's brand new. So the winner of this purse, you get to experience attaching this strap and this. I'll tell you that this was made in France as well. It was made in France too, so yeah. But yours actually looks so much better. Let me put this one away because this is not mine. This is going to be yours. Let me put this one away and I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back again. So please subscribe to my channel. Once I reach 1200 or 1200 subscribers, I will do the giveaway of the Pochette accessoire and the monogram canvas. Also, please stay tuned for my next video because it will be a very interesting brand and it will be another giveaway. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much guys for spending a few minutes of your time with me. Please stay safe, take care, stay healthy, and take care of each other. And I will see you very soon. See ya.